Ever found yourself in a Grab and realized your e-wallet is running low? Or maybe you prefer the security of using your card directly? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into how to add a card to your Grabpay account. This quick guide will have you seamlessly paying for your rides, food deliveries, and more in no time. Step-by-step guide. Open the Grab app. First things first, open the Grab app on your smartphone. You should see the main screen with options like Ride, Food, and GrabMart. Access your Grabpay wallet. Tap on the Grabpay icon or look for the Wallet section within the app. This will bring you to your Grabpay wallet overview. Locate Add Card. Inside your Grabpay wallet, you will usually find an option like Add Card, Add Payment Method, or a plus button. Tap on this to proceed. Choose your card type. Select the type of card you wish to add. Common options include credit cards, debit cards, and potentially even prepaid cards. Enter card details. Carefully enter the required card details. Card number. Cardholder name. Expiration date. CVV, the 3-digit security code on the back of your card. Verify your card. Most likely, Grab will require you to verify your card. This could involve one-time password, OTP, and OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter this code in the app to confirm your card. Small authorization hold. A small temporary hold may be placed on your card to verify its validity. This hold will usually be released within a few business days. Set default card. Optional, you can set your newly added card as your default payment method for easier and faster transactions. This usually involves a simple toggle or selection within the app. Important notes and troubleshooting. Card compatibility. Not all cards are accepted by Grabpay. Ensure your card is issued by a supported bank or financial institution. You can usually find a list of accepted cards within the Grab app or on their official website. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the card addition process, double-check your card details for any errors. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Contact your bank or card issuer to confirm if online transactions are enabled for your card. Reach out to Grab customer support for assistance. Benefits of adding a card. Convenience. Easily pay for Grab rides, food deliveries, and other Grab services without worrying about low e-wallet balances. Security. For some users, using a credit card offers better fraud protection and dispute resolution compared to e-wallet funds. Rewards and promotions. Many cards offer rewards points, cashback, or other benefits when used with Grab. Take advantage of these perks to maximize your savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.